Hello! Tofu dessert. I'm editing my first vlog. It is not easy. Good morning. I'm going to go ski at 12 and it's not super cold, which is nice. I just washed my face. Just gonna wear a bit of makeup. Setting powder. Always make sure the pot is super hot and then slide the butter. Now we shall wait for my friend. Look at this guy. Nico! I cannot wait to go ski and then we're going to go somewhere to work. Because I have to prepare my classes for the afternoon. Tofu dessert. I have to teach in 3 minutes and I don't even know what the class is going to be about. Wish me luck. Today I have to go to the office because on Tuesdays and Thursdays we're required to go in person. Like, if a computer just doesn't work, you just have to, yeah. Actually, like, if you don't close your computer for too long, it'll just break. Hello. 你说。
旁边的注释就是少写一些东西。
好，那我们现在来看这个，对吧 ？Good morning.
Hey, morning.
Today I don't have to go to the office because we're a Wednesday. But obviously you can go anytime. Like on Wednesdays and Fridays, there is no one in the office. I'm starving in the morning, so I always have to eat something before making breakfast. So these are dried persimmons. This is chicken thigh. I air fried it for 30 minutes, and this is stir-fried asparagus. I'm going to add a bit of mayo because I eat this with everything.
And use me to demand expensive cotton or a machine whose job it is to estimate the affordable then each pixel of material shirt and outfit.
Hello, how are you? Good. Thanks, Kayla. So today I'm going to be doing more outreaches, and I have a BD meeting at 4:30.
I'll be testing the program launch.
Have a dozen of branches to clean up.
Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
So today I have a hackathon to attend at 6 p.m. so I'm really excited for that. A hackathon is an event where you get to build projects or products like apps, websites, games. Usually it's pretty intense. You have like 72 hours to build something and then present it to a panel of judges. So I'm really excited for that.
Get some cowbooks to everyone. So long, like the other week, but today was like exceptionally long.
My last meeting of the day is starting in 2 minutes, and then I can go to prepare for my hackathon. So I'm pretty much done for today. I think I just have to send maybe 1 or 2 follow-up emails, and then that's it for today.
We're just running in the direction, so if you run. You know what? The bigger the better.
The font is good. Yeah.
I'll get them.
Yeah. We have 10 minutes. Can you do it?
Where?
Nothing's better.
Good building.